Hey, how's it going? Today I want to talk to you about my first basic lawn care setup. Everything was used, nothing was bought brand new. So it all started off when I needed to mow my own yard. It was like a half-acre yard, and I just got tired of paying somebody to mow it myself. So I found somebody selling their mower online, for $500. It was an Ariens 46-inch riding mower, and this how it looks. So this is it right here, an Ariens riding mower. It's a Briggs & Stratton engine. It's more than a decade old. I'm the third owner of it. So it did its job, you know what I mean? And this is what, once again, this is my first basic setup right here. So I have a 0 turn now, but I just want to show you what I used, y'all. All right, this got the job done. Okay, it got the job done. All right. So disregard the trimmer racks. I don't got nothing on there because I didn't use the trimmer racks when I first started. All right. So this is the push mower. I got this push mower used also. All right. It's a Toro 22-inch recycler. You could get a good push mower like this for $100. People are always selling them. All right, because they just get tired of mowing their lawns, or it doesn't start no more, so they think it's broke. But there's just simple maintenance, just cleaning out the air filter. Like that could be the problem, or a dirty spark plug. There's simple maintenance like that, y'all. All right, you find a used equipment, just change out the spark plug, clean the air filter, or change the air filter, do a good oil change, and the mower's gonna work just fine. All right, and the carburetor sometimes needs cleaning too, and that's easy, y'all. Okay, so let's talk about the trailer. All right, the trailer I bought used. It came with like a good little package. The guy was selling this trailer. It's a 5x8 trailer. He was selling it for $1,000. The trailer, along with the Craftsman chainsaw, an Echo Pass 225 string trimmer, and 2 push mowers. He just gave it off to me for $1,000. Like, hey, I'll take it. That's a good deal. All right. So the trailer's a 5x8. All right. And I added this on here. This little wheel thing on here. Added that on there. All right, so every time I take it off the hitch, I just lower that thing down, and I could like kind of move the whole trailer around, with the front wheel. All right, so hey, y'all, always cargo strap your equipment to your trailer, always, because you never know, you know what I mean. Anything could happen, y'all, on the road. Anything could happen on the road, and you don't want to be the one with all your equipment flying out of a trailer because you had to swerve. Now you have gear all over the road, and now you're making the accident even worse. All right, so always cargo strap your trailer. All right, I did buy this, y'all, for when I started out, this Gorilla lift right here. It is awesome. It comes with a set of 2, or 1 for each side. But these things are so awesome, man. Like, you only need 1 for this trailer, for this ramp right here. It's a little ramp. Hey, y'all, it's when they're doing like 10 yards a day, 5 to 10 yards a day, like, and when you're rushing, you know what I mean, like, that extra assist right there will help you out. All right, it'll save her back, you know what I mean. So as you age, wear and tear on your body, and you never know, man. You may just be bending down wrong and lifting it up, and next thing you know, you tweaked your back, and now you're out for like about a month. All right, so it's a real good It's a real good, y'all should get one of these for our trailer. Okay, I just need 1 for this small ramp. For my 12-footer, my 6.5 by 12, I have both on each side. So I highly recommend get this Gorilla lift or any kind of spring assist ramp cable. It'll help you out, man. It'll save her back. So for my string trimmer, my edger, I put everything in the back of my pickup truck. All right, I got this tonneau cover on here. I had that on for like a while. All right, so it came out in handy because at first I didn't have those racks, those string trimmer racks. I just had this pickup truck, and you always want your stuff safe, so everything stays safe in here. All right, so back here, I have these slots on each side of my bed. I could put a 2x4 in there. All right, and so I went to a hardware store. I got these little hooks right here. These little hooks, I'm able to put my string trimmer and my edger. Now these are Stihl. Remember I told you before I had to pass 225 Echo and Ryobi Edger. This is where I kept them over here. Okay. I bought this corrugated pipe from somebody. Somebody was selling this corrugated pipe. He didn't want it no more, so I bought this. Just so I can store my extra stuff in here. Like I got a rake in here. I got some shovels down there. I got some shears. I got some loppers. I got some other attachments. All right, I even got a broom right here, you know, just to sweep some like little minor areas, you know, at somebody's house. Okay, I got my machete right here. Always want to have one of these. You never know when you just want to cut some stubborn root out from the ground. Okay, keep my gas can right here, my 5-gallon fuel for the mower, and I got my mixed fuel right here for my string trimmer, edger, and my blower. Okay, now I know I told you I bought everything used. Now I did buy one thing brand new, and that was the blower. All right, that's this blower right here. Is an Echo PB580 T. I have it sideways, and the and from the blower, the main all the way up to the end, I just have it extended the blower assembly. Okay, I got my cone. Hey y'all, everyone loves safety. Okay, so when I see a cone out there behind your trailer, like they're gonna think like, wow, this guy's, you know what I mean? I'm glad that guy put that cone there, you know what I mean? Shoot, I like that. I appreciate that. I appreciate him for being safe. You know, so you know, I throw that cone out there every time I park, you know, behind like 10 feet behind my trailer, so everybody knows that they can see the cone from far away. Okay, I got this little bucket right here. It could be any kind of bucket. This is like a little kitty litter bucket. I use this for my string, my extra string for my trimmer. All right, hey, check this out, y'all. Make sure you got one of these with you, towing strap. All right, you never know when you're gonna have to like tow your mower out of the mud with your truck or with your car, or somebody can help you out, you know what I mean, getting you out the mud. So I have one of these in here. I got extra towing straps, you know, bungee cord, rope. You know, you can put just a bucket for random stuff. This is where I keep my extra string trimmer, you know, my tow strap. All right, so that takes care of the back of the truck. Right here, the little lock. I could like just lock it up with the key. All right. So in the back of my truck, stuff that you want to always have with you. I keep my ear pro back here, and my eye pro right here. Gloves. If you feel you need gloves sometimes when they're like hedging or like moving branches around or like raking, because you don't want to get blisters on your hands. If you're not used to raking, this is my toolbox I keep back here. Just keep like this little small tool. You see people with these big old toolboxes on their trailers. People, you really don't need that. You just need the basic stuff, all right? Okay, I got my tool to change out the blades of my my edger. I got some WD-40 for my hedger. I don't got the hedger here. It's in the shed. All right, some random stuff. This for the Stihl right here. I keep that in here. It's called a squinch. Screwdriver and wrench. See that? Screwdriver and wrench. The squinch. All right, underneath here, I got my little light. So that light right there is for my zero turn right there. All right. Once again, this is just a basic. I'm showing you my basic lawn care setup when I first started. Got a mallet. You never know when you may need a mallet. You know, knock something back in place. I've used it a couple of times. Got this right here, y'all. Hey, you know what? Your thing may die, your lawnmower may die, and so you could just jump start it, the battery. That's what I got back here. My toolbox, you need a basic toolbox, so that's all you need. Okay, my Air Pro back here, and my Eye Pro. Air Pro, Eye Pro. All right. I always have a set of shades also. Eye Pro shades, because sometimes it gets real sunny. All right, and rule number one, always look cool. All right, but remember, you're not gonna look cool with two busted eyes because you didn't wear eye pro. All right, so always wear eye pro. Okay, and save your ears, y'all. Ear pro. Okay, always put ear pro on. Hey, these things may look dumb because they're real fat, but these are cool. These are, I bought these at Lowe's, 3mm. They're Bluetooth. They go to my phone, so I can listen to music while I'm mowing, or answer my phone with, just put my phone rings. You hear my phone ring through this, and you just push this little button right here, and it answers, and you can talk. All right, there ain't no mic. This is a built-in mic. It's pretty good. All right, so if you have a chance, Home Depot or Lowe's, I forgot where I got it from. Just look for those, y'all. They're real good. It's a good good ear pro. You know, you can also, you like, oh shoot, I can't hear my phone. Hey, you know what? You can hear a phone ring with this. You know, so. And I got keep my gloves right here. All right, if you're not used to raking leaves, y'all, you're gonna get blisters, so just take some gloves. All right. Or if we're moving branches around or whatever, you know, just take gloves. You know what I mean? You know, your hands get cut. You know, then, you know what I mean? Then you're going to like treat them and everything, and they're going to bother you. You may be eating some tacos, squeeze some lemon on there. Lemon gets on the cut. Next thing you know, you're hurting. So wear gloves, protect your hands. All right, protect your hands, protect your feet. Make sure you got some good boots on. All right, or some good, not don't gotta be boots, but some good shoes. Okay, don't be going out there in sandals, cutting lawns and string trimming. All right, y'all, so this is my basic setup right here. This is my basic setup. All right, I just took this off right here to show y'all. But remember, always, all right, strap your equipment to the trailer. Don't take that chance, y'all. All right, I bought this little thing right here. Make those like right turns, you know what I mean, with one hand. So. Hey, I hope you found this video very informative. Remember, you don't have to buy new equipment to start off, okay? All this equipment I bought, besides the blower I showed you, everything was used. The only brand new thing was a blower. I did try to buy a used blower from somebody, but hey, lesson learned from here, okay? I went to get the blower. The guy started it for me. Oh, cool, it sounds good, yeah. All right, I like it. I took it home, thing wouldn't start. You know, so I called the guy up. Oh, you gotta like, he told me to do some funky stuff with it, like take off the air filter, and all right, it works now. And it only lasted literally like 2 days because I got fed up. All right, so I just bought a new blower. All right, so hey, you're gonna take a chance in buying new equipment, all right? You know, so somebody may say some bum stuff, but hey, just when you go out there and buy some new equipment, check it yourself, all right? Ask the guy if you could ride the mower, okay? You could start it, ride around the yard, turn the blades on, all right? Look underneath the riding mower, the zero turn, all right? Make sure there's nothing crazy, the spindles aren't loose, all right? Look around it, you know what I mean? Make sure, you know, just make sure you're if you're gonna buy something used, you know what I mean? Just make sure it's do your best to like make sure ain't nothing crazy wrong with it, okay? Other than that, string trimmers, that Echo Pass 225, it lasted for a good 3 years, y'all. String trimmers you're gonna use, you're gonna put a lot of hours into it, all right? So, but the Echo, it lasted me a good 3 years. You know, the Ryobi Edger, it did its job, okay? But there were just some yards where it had like a lot of overgrowth on the edge. And so I was just using it, just working it. And the edger, I mean the blade assembly, that will get real loose and worn out. And screws were just all coming off and everything. And I had to buy a new, that new half for the Ryobi, for the edger. And then the engine started like messing up, bogging a lot. And then next thing you know, started to shake. All right, you know, it's time for me to get a new edger. So that's when I got the Stihl Edger, the new one. But hey, but you don't gotta start off with everything brand new. You could buy you stuff to start off with to get your customers, you know what I mean, to build that clientele. All right, so hey, I hope you liked this video. I hope it was very helpful. I hope me sharing you my experience helped you out, motivated you to go out there and just hey, use what you got. If you have a push mower right now, use it. Throw that in the back of a pickup truck, in your trunk, go out there and cut some lawns. People will pay you. They don't want to cut their lawns. They'll pay somebody to cut their lawns. So go out there and just stay motivated. All right, don't let nothing get you down. Okay, if your mower stops working, hey, it could be anything. Simple. It could be a dirty air filter. Clean it out. Spark plug. Check it. Clean that off. All right. You know, like hey, it could be the battery. You know, in one of my videos I showed you it's a NOCO charger. It could just jump the battery. All right, and give it a good charge. You know, so other than that, y'all, hey, thanks for watching this video. If you like what you saw, please hit subscribe, you know, and like, and God bless, and thank you for watching my video.